Hello, guys, very good day. I hope you all are doing well today. Welcome to Knowledge Power. Today, we are going to see how you can restrict your friend list of your Facebook to not show to others, either your friends or anyone else. First of all, you need to go to your Facebook app, click on it, and then you can go to your profile, click on Privacy Center. Now, you can simply go to the option on the top. There is a search. When you click on that, you will see the option of search a particular field that you are looking for. I write here friends list, and then I search. Now let's give some time to Facebook to find the result for you. Here you can see there are several settings. As you can see, the first option is who can see your friend list on your profile. There are several options. The first option is public. You can ask anyone, or anyone can view that friend list. Either you want your friends to check your friend list, or else if you want few particular people who you don't want to show your list, you can put their name on it. And then you can also specify few people who you want to check your friend list. You can specific friends there, but from my side I just want to see only myself, so I've selected only me, so I'm the only one who can see my friends and following. So it's very easy. All you need to go to the right option to select it. I hope you find this video very helpful to protect your account and your friend list from anyone else. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.